Precision maintenance. When you conduct all maintenance activities, whether it's a PM, PDM, it's repair work, it's rebuild work, when you're planning, scheduling, kitting, there's an assumption made that the work is going to be executed with completeness and precision. Is that a good assumption? This is Joe here of Lean-Driven Reliability, bridging the gap between best practices and your reality. Got some things on the chalkboard I want to go through here. Let's look at a few KPIs, okay? PM compliance, schedule efficiency, mean time between failure, percent PDM work hours, wrench time, and planned work. If you're doing any maintenance, you're tracking one or all of these, and you're using this to steer the ship. Let's talk a little bit about precision maintenance as it relates to them. PM compliance. If you have a PM compliance number of 90%, does that say anything about the precision work that was done? Did they grease all the points? Did they put the right grease in to the right level? Absolutely not. So big X over there. Schedule compliance. Hey, we were 96% schedule compliance last week. What does that say about precision? Absolutely nothing. Those people could have been pulled off half the time. You could have had significant slop or extra hours put into that schedule. Means nothing with precision. Schedule efficiency. If we said a job was 4 hours, did it take 4 hours? Absolutely says nothing about precision. Mean time between failure. I got a green check mark there because yes, over a long period of time, mean time between failures will get shorter if you're not doing precision work. But it's in arrears. It can be a year, 18 months in arrears, okay? Meaning that you can do poor precision for 12 months before you have a failure all over your plant because you weren't doing a precision job on your inspections, your PMs, and the rebuilds, all that. So it's in arrears. Yeah, it's a check mark, but a highly suspect check mark. PDM as a percent of total work hours. I got a green check mark by that also. If your PDM team is doing more and more findings, you know, that's a result of them not getting pulled into emergency work, right? So the more they're doing there, that can be a green check mark there and a positive sign of precision. But again, it's in arrears, okay? You can do something with poor precision for a year, 6 months, before it even shows up there. And it's tainted by a lot of things too. So hesitation, but 2 green check marks. Wrench time, absolute precision means nothing with wrench time. And then planned work percent. If you have a 95% planned work, which would be truly outstanding, that means nothing with precision, nothing at all. So KPIs are a poor indicator of precision maintenance. Secondly, what happens when it's, you know, the second month of a quarter and top management comes out and says, hey, I need to cut your budget by $500,000 this quarter, okay? Or comes out with a no overtime rule or no contractor rule, you know, based on some market conditions. What's that mean to precision maintenance? How is that accomplished? Or is it just reduce all overtime, don't let me know as the leader how you did that? Quite frankly, what that turns into is we're going to start cutting corners on PMs. We're going to start cutting corners on outages. We're going to not, you know, instead of every 30 days, take a day outage, we're going to do it every 2 months and just roll the dice and take risk. All those affect the precision. Those management decisions plus these KPIs have no indication of, they're not an indication to you at all about the precision of the work that you're doing. And that's everything, because it's an assumption in all planned work. All planned work, every equipment maintenance plan expects precision maintenance. How are you going to audit it? How are you going to manage it? I gave the answer right there. So, hey, what can you do? You got to verify it with observation. You got to. Got to get out of your office and do chalk circle observation at all levels of the organization, including the plant manager. You know, put time on your calendar to do this. Pick a Wednesday. I'm going to do chalk circle. The great thing about chalk circle observation is you can see not only precision maintenance being done, but you can see evidence of wrench time. You can see evidence of planning, scheduling, kitting, PMs, and the problem solving. You can see that in 4 hours. I promise you, you can do that. Give it a chance. So put time on your calendar. You know, you can observe them all at the same time. This will become the favorite part of your week, leaders. and reliability engineers, planners, and supervisors, this will be the favorite part of your week. You'll light up, oh good, it's out of the office time. I get to talk with the people. I get to see reality. Help me make better decisions. It's going to be your standard. If you're the plant manager, if you want to change the organization and you want to change it for no money, go out and spend 4 hours on the shop floor. The whole organization will model your behavior. You'll make better decisions and you'll be more connected with the people. Folks, begin your journey. This stuff isn't that hard. Observation has got to be the central point of any reliability program. If it's not, you're making bad decisions off bad KPIs. If I can help in any way, let me know. Send me an email, drop me a comment on this, and I'll get back with you. Thanks. Bye.